Hello guys, welcome to this channel. As you have watched other videos, this is part 8 of profit and loss. This will be helpful for class 8, 9, 10, and for the one who is giving government jobs. So in this part 8, we're gonna see how we're gonna solve this sums. So let's get to the sum. On selling a bag for rupees 704, a shopkeeper suffered a loss of 12%. At what price should it to gain 7.5%? Should he sell to gain 7.5%? So the selling price is this. We need to find the CP, cost price. Then we could find 7.5% gain on the cost price. So let's start. First, we will see SP is 7.704 and loss is 12% and cost price we need to find. Okay. So just bear with my sound. It's horrible, I know, but let's get. As you know the formula says there are two kind of formula. One is SP equals to 1 minus loss by 100 of CP when you are losing. SP equals to 1 plus profit by 100 of CP. I have taught this on other parts, so you can check that out. Just have said for clearing the viewpoint. So CP, and now we are losing in this, so we will use the number one formula. So basically 704 equals to 1 minus 12 by 100 into CP. Okay? So 704 equals to 88 by 100 into CP. Okay? Then 704 into 100 by 88 equals to CP. We will get the cost price through this. Now, as we know, 11 8s are 11 6 4. Okay, so 8 8s are, so we can see our cost price is 800. Now what they are saying, at what price should we sell to gain 7.5%? So our cost price is this. We will put 7.5% gain on this, then we will get, at that price we need to sell to gain 7.5%. Okay, so SP equals to 1 plus profit by 100 of CP. Okay, so we know CP, we know how much profit we need to take out, we need to find the selling price. Okay, so let's get going. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now we need to find the selling price. At what selling price we will sell to gain 7.5%. So SP equals to 1 plus 7.5 by 100 of 800. Okay, equals to 100 plus 7.5 whole divided by 100 into 800. Okay, so we are seeing that point might create us problem. Okay, so let's get going. So we can do that. 75 by 1000. So 1000 comes here, point goes down, 1000. So 1075 all divided by 100 into 800. Just cut down. This goes to 5, this goes to 4, this goes to 2, 1, 5. So 215 into 4, 200 into 4, 800, 15 into 4 plus 60, we get to 860. This is our answer. So at the 8, we will sell at 860 to gain 7.5%. So this is our next homework for you. Just use this formula, remember this formula, number 1, number 2, to get going. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe. If you have come along this way, subscribe this channel, and this one, go ahead, be calm doing some one. If once you understand the logic, you're going to kill every sum. So get going. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel. Thank you for the watching.